Go! This is from Grandma Bennett. Open it. You gotta rip into it, buddy. Huh? Yeah. I can't see, Addie. Yeah, there you go. You tear into a present. What do you think it is, buddy? Do you think it's something little or something big? Let's see your teeth. Logan, look at the camera and say, "Thank you, Grandma."
Thank you, Grandma.
Well, you don't know what it is yet. Here, let me help you with this bow. Alright, now flip it over, buddy, and slide the bow off. Don't flip it over so I can't see. Okay. Now you can get into the box.
Lives in today's world with technology.
What's in there?
So you're going to take that TV back to Costco now?
The monster at the end of the book. And what is that? Do you like that?
So we need to do some strengthening.
Are you so excited? The Mega Rig Shark Attack. Let's get that off of there. Look. Rawr. Okay, look at the camera and tell Grandma what you think about it.
I like good, Grandma. Thank you.
And Grandpa.
And Grandpa.
They wish they could be here for your birthday, buddy. They love you.
Can I was